Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set the low blue light mode to the automatic preferred one. So actually, low blue light mode may be set automatically by a reminder based on our environment. To set this option on, we have to go to the left where we do see our control panel, and we have to scroll down to settings. Here we have to click all settings, and here we have to scroll down to picture. The third option which is here is eye care. Let's open that, and here we do have adaptive picture. We can either enable that and then yes, or disable that using the OK button. Of course, this feature may use more power and the power consumption may be increased, but I won't really be that worried because it's only a monitor. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.